exciting news, because we've all loved Preloved, which is really about taking old items and making them new again. Well, now they're hitting the shopping channel. Julia Grieve is here. Thank you. And so we're just exchanging stories, because I have a line on the shopping channel, you have the line, a line on the shopping channel. It's your first time.
Yes.
You're going to be hanging out with Jeannie Becker, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But first, we know that the genesis of Preloved was all about, I mean, the first model can come in. The genesis of Preloved was all about taking older materials and trying to recycle them. You're doing the same thing now, but a little differently.
Yes, what we're starting to work with now, which has been an exciting evolution to the line, is what we're using is what's called, you know, dead stock fabric, or otherwise known as like roll ends. At the end of a production run, there's always fabric left on the bolt that can no longer be used. We grab all those bolts and are able to create a collection. So it becomes quite limited because there's only a certain amount of fabric that we do have.
It's kind of a good thing.
But you know what? It's really neat. It's really, really fun. And it's been able us to just sort of change how we design.
So I love what Shakira's wearing right now.
Isn't this gorgeous? This whole collection was all designed about travel. Spring 17 was all about travel. We wanted to create a line that would have you sitting in the south of France, the departure lounge, or going from your kitchen to the backyard, traveling in style.
Kitchen to the backyard,
you know? So
that's
this is
my kind of travel.
I know, seriously. This is a great travel piece. It travels very well. It's a dress, it's a tunic, it's a top, it's a beach cover-up. It's pretty much whatever you need it to be.
Very nice. Give it up for Shakira, everybody.
So nice. So nice.
So sizes all the way from,
this is really exciting. Because of the dead stock material, we've been able to increase our size range. So we can go from extra small to 3x, which is just amazing to be able to do that. Because for so long we were so confined by using vintage fabrics and clothes. Everything had to be so small. Now we can open it up, which has been really exciting.
Okay, so I love this.
This is such
I haven't met a vest I don't love. This is great.
This is a great example of key pieces in your wardrobe mixing and matching effortlessly together.
Yes.
You know, the top I love is the off shoulder. This is the season of the shoulder. I don't care if it's a one shoulder, a cold shoulder, an off shoulder. It's got to be some kind of shoulder this season. Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's a great, great piece. The vest is sort of like a sleeveless structured vest, yet it's made out of French terry, aka sweatshirt material. So it's extremely comfortable. We say take this to the boardroom, you know, to the playground, to a yoga class if you need it to.
Absolutely.
Right? So it's just a great, simple, structured pieces, but with that loose and comfort of a terry.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks, Amanda. Thank you. I love these girls. They're so great. Amazing.
We go way back with our gorgeous models. Always good to see you.
This is so great. Okay, this outfit on Brie, this is what we like to consider, we joke, we call this athleisure on steroids. It is like athleisure to the max. We all love that comfort feeling, that sort of like wearing your gym clothes all day long. The majority of this outfit is made out of French terry. I mean, literally, it's a modern day tracksuit. But by adding really stylish details to it, like the lace on the sleeve, like the poplin on the bottom, giving that whole layering look without really layering, no bulk added, we're able to sort of create that comfortable athleisure look, but very stylish. We were joking, you can go from economy to business class in this outfit easily.
Absolutely,
you know?
and I'm loving the jogger.
I love a jogger with a heel.
Me too.
Come on, let's get serious here. I love it. It's just great.
Yeah, it never gets tired for me, but I'm loving the material on this, and it's just very comfortable style, but it has a twist.
It absolutely.
So I love the sleeves on that. That is great. Thanks, Brie. You look great.
Looks so good.
So good to see you.
It's great.
Okay, we got Shakira back, and this is cool. So you'll know a lot of the Preloved items. There's always like the sleeves are maybe different from the body, or the back is different from the front. That's your signature.
It's our signature look. It's that mixed media, playing with fabrics that don't necessarily go together. This shirt is a great example of that. This shirt is actually 100% linen. But we've mixed two types of linen. The back is a jersey, so it's got that stretch across the shoulder, across any other area where you may want stretch. You know,
like it.
But yet the front is a woven linen, so it gives that structured, so it's like a dress shirt. You can button this all the way up. It can be a tunic. It's great.
Totally.
The culottes are the pants that we're wearing. Now this is the season for the culotte. If you've been nervous about jumping, you gotta go there. You gotta get into it this season. We've been trying. These are not the 70s culottes that scared us to death or that our moms made us wear. This is not it. This is a very modern. What you want to look for is in the palette. You want the culotte to be, I always laugh, it's the, you know, supporting actress, not the leading lady, okay?
Right.
It should be the understatement. So you go for a palette of like charcoal, black, neutrals.
Right.
Maybe not so much brights, maybe not the patterns. Have them understated with them. And they, you know, they're just a great piece for the summer, for
well,
sure.
I love it. So I love that we'll be hanging out together at TSC. You can catch Julia on the shopping channel or with Jeannie Becker on March 23rd. So that's when you'll be doing Style Matters. And at that moment, you will know when you're actually going to be on the shopping channel.
And all of this stuff is available shoppingchannel.com.
Oh, very nice.
I know, it's so
Get
exciting.
on it.